Hi guys, we just finished Miley's baseball game. She did so good. She hits it so hard, and she's the only girl on the whole team, and actually both teams. So she was the only girl and she did so good. I am so excited that she has that strength in her to do that. So yeah, we're gonna go to San Luis today and probably go on a little walk around downtown, and then after that we're gonna go down to the Children's Festival. So I'm pretty excited about that. We did it last year, and there's like these really good Hawaiian ices. They are so good. It's like Hawaiian shaved ice.
Yeah.
And so I think we're gonna try to head over there and get some of that, and you know, do some other errands. But I just wanted to tell you guys that we are just leaving Miley's game, and she did awesome. All right. So I just got back from my photo shoot and just got here with the kids. Hi, hello.
I'll see you.
Kai said, or Erica said that Kai has been crazy when I left, or when I was gone, so. Hi. What you doing?
To make Easter dye.
Making Easter dye? So what's different this year about the dye?
We're going to do volcano eggs. So
Volcano eggs?
paint them with baking soda and food coloring. And then you put vinegar on it.
Ooh. What kind of vinegar?
It's over there.
Apple cider. Hey!
Get down.
Let's see, so apple cider vinegar. This guy right here. I hate the smell of vinegar. It is the worst smell ever. Ever.
Just trying to make the girls purple, but
Hi, Mom.
We got some white eggs and some brown eggs.
Hi, Dad.
I know, it's like a fail.
So, I told you guys earlier that we were gonna go to a Children's Day in the plaza in San Luis. Well, we showed up, and what happened? What happened, Erica?
I had the wrong day.
So it's next weekend, not this weekend. So we drove all the way to San Luis, and it was not the right day. She's way behind.
No, I'm ahead.
Oh yeah, ahead.
Yeah.
Kale really wanted to go. Huh, Kale? You really wanted to go to the Children's Day in the Plaza. And next weekend, I can't go because I have a wedding to shoot, so I'm not going to be here.
I
So I don't know if Erica is going to want to take all of our children by herself. So, sorry we might miss it. We're really bummed. Hi guys. Hi. You guys want to color eggs? You want to color eggs? You want to color eggs?
Alright,
Yeah, you want to color eggs? Yeah. Hi. You guys getting ready for Easter? Is the Easter Bunny gonna come tomorrow? Is the Easter Bunny gonna come? Yeah? Yeah? Yeah, Kane's excited. Yes, you are. Yes, you are excited. Yes, you are. Yeah. Hi, little boy. Huh? Hi, little boy. What's he doing over there? What's he doing over there? Look at these feet. Her feet are going crazy. Look at those feet. Wow. Hi, guys. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Alright, so we're making our Easter eggs, and this year we're going to try to do the volcano one, which you mixed baking soda with food coloring and a little bit of water, and we're using Q-tips for the painting things. And then we have a couple eggs each on a tin. We'll have little tins, and then we have droppers, which I have just from my oils. So that, and then we have apple cider vinegar. Oh, and apparently Mia thinks we need crayons. Apple cider vinegar. So after we paint them, we'll show you what it looks like. And we have cane and kale over here hanging out. Okay, clumps on it.
Okay.
Because it's going to make it even better, okay?
Okay.
Don't get on your skin. We'll try not to, okay?
Okay.
So go ahead.
Um.
And then when you're done, you tell me, and then we're going to do something else with it, okay?
I got all the gunk. So,
Is that cool, okay?
Oh, don't get on your legs. Just put it on here. Kite. Do it over this. Paint it over this, okay? You can do different colors on it.
oh, this one.
Alright, now we put all the colors on here. So I have vinegar in this little dropper. And I'm going to drop it on here and watch the volcano. You ready? Oh, wow.
Wow, that is crazy.
Kai.
I mean that.
Kai, hold on. I'll give
Hold
it
on,
to you.
bud. Look at that volcano. Whoa. Okay, it's doing a little bit more volcano action right there.
Well, I don't know how much it's working. It's kind of hard to see because
It is bubbling. It's kind of cool.
Well, it's a brown egg, so it's probably not the best.
Mom,
idea
look at
that's on
mine.
that, so.
Mom, look at mine.
Wow. Okay, here, I'm gonna do this one.
Yeah,
It's
try
a
this
white
one.
egg.
Mom, do mine and that
Have to spread it,
and
maybe.
these and that. Working on mine. Do I have to do more colors?
Yeah, maybe put more stuff on it. It's kind of like a science experiment, huh, Miley?
Look at mine. Mom, I want to do it.
Okay, you can do it. You can use mine. Hold on, Mia. Don't touch me with your dirty old hands.
Ooh.
Kind of cool. I think we've
Look at
done
mine.
this before.
Look at mine.
Wow. Okay.
Wow. That one's cool, man.
Thank you.
Hi, guys. You just finished coloring eggs?
Yeah.
Yeah. They're eating dinner. Cool. So guess what's who's coming tonight?
The Easter Bunny.
Who's coming tonight, Mia?
Easter Bunny.
Kai? Who's coming tonight? Easter Bunny? He's too busy eating.
The Easter Bunny.
Cool. And Miley, what are you gonna leave out for the Easter Bunny?
Carrot.
Carrots? And are you gonna draw a picture?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here's the picture. And then I'm going to draw the next one.
Oh, cool. Alright, here's the eggs that the kids colored. It looks pretty cool. I like them. It looks like the color's coming off of the brown eggs, but that's okay. So, oh my gosh. Alright. Who has a 6-year-old or any child that is acting so crazy tonight? My 6-year-old, Miley, she's like, oh my gosh, what do I need to do? What do I need to do? She is like non-stop. She's crazy right now. Look at her. What do I need to do? What do I need to do? Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh, does the Easter Bunny love water? Does the Easter Bunny love juice? What about orange juice? What about this? What about that? What about carrots? What about carrots? Gosh, she's crazy. Who has a child that is doing the same thing? Who? Can you please tell me?
Please tell me on the comments below.
Oh, yeah? She's gnarly. All right, well, everyone have a good evening and good luck tonight. All right, bye.